Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training, and we're going to continue with our small church project. And here we're going to do our plumbing system. So normally in a plumbing system we want to create the sanitary system first of all, I think, but that's what I'm going to go with it. And we could do some of this other stuff manual. So first you need to add all your fixtures. They need to be MEP. We got our 50-gallon water tank, probably need a larger one here. Then we got a sink, and so basically all of these need sanitary drainage. So what happens here is now we need to go, and let's just look at our Analyze tab here briefly here. And then here we see where it says, oh, here we are. And then we say Show Disconnects. So we select that and we click OK. See them. Interesting. Oh, okay, Show Disconnects. Turn it off here. Let me see. Looks. Pipe. Okay. Well, I don't see it for some reason, but that's okay. I think we can still work without that. So I'm going to cancel that out. So now we want to go and go into our visual style. We want to make this wireframe here. So we need to change our view template, take this off. Probably could have changed it to view template, but I want to turn this off for now. I don't use none here. I'm going to go apply and OK. So now we want to have a look at let's see. We want to actually, then we want to set this to wireframe. And then we want to take our view range here. In this view, this is going to be our well, this should be our sanitary. Well, we could just put them all here. So we got to now go our view range here, and I'll make this -5, -5, because we're going down below for our bottom, and our view depth -5 as well. Not 50. Go apply and OK. So now we got a little depth here. We can see all the way down to the footing, and that's basically what we want to see. Now, okay, now at this point, we want to go into our mechanical settings here. There we go. And here we want to select, let's see here. Here we want to go into conversion here on the pipe settings. Here's conversion. Okay, now here we got hydronic supply, and then we want to select our PVC. And here the same, we want to show the PVC. Okay. Now, at this point, we want to make this elevation 1 foot, -1, and this one as well. So we want to go for a foot below this level. Okay. Now, what we can do here, we can do the same thing that we've been doing before with the auto routing. Pretty simple for the sanitary system. So what you need to do is, so let's grab this water closet, and then here you go, piping system, and then you edit pipe. This is cold water. I don't want this to be cold water. I want this to be sanitary, right? And then want to edit the system, and then here's defaulted to add, so we'll select that sink, this one. We'll say okay here, because this is, yeah, sanitary. Okay. I'm gonna grab this one, all these, literally. And the drainage. And then I wanna go, oh, I wanna select equipment. Okay, then I wanna finish this. Okay, now here, oh, there go my disconnects, right? And then here I wanna just say tab this, uh-oh, sorry. Yep. Something's fishy going on here, so grab that one. Okay. Now we have our option here again whether to generate different layouts. So let's go here. And then we look at our settings. This is set at 9 feet. We want this below, so we want this to be -1 again. And we can go branch or main. Let's put both of these at -1 and try them both out, see what works best. Anybody know how to do this better, please let me know. Want that offset of -1. This offset is -1. Well, okay. And we'll click our settings. And we got 5 different options here. Okay. Now we've got 5 different options right here. We can go with this one. That one, that might be the better option right there. I don't know for sure. So we've got these different options to play with. I want to go with this one. Don't know which one I want to use, but anyway, this is how we do the drainage system. So I'm gonna take, boy, that's a lot of pipe. Yeah, let's go with this one. Let's go with number 1. And then we got network perimeter. So we can go with perimeter here. In the perimeter settings, these might be the best ones to go with. I think I'm gonna go with the, let's see, intersections look like here. So I'm not gonna be too picky. I'm gonna go with my network. And I'm gonna go finish that. So there's our, okay. So we got a 1 in there, action, okay. It's probably got something to do with my drainage system because that drain's gonna go out to the sewer line. So now let's go back into our, make this fine view, and there we can see all our pipe work here. For the, these are all the sanitary drainage. So let me see if I can get a view of this in 3D. Let's see, oriented view. Let's see, it might be this one, no. I want to do this here and see if we can get a better 3D look at this. Yeah, so there it is. So let me just pull, actually, let me go and look at our grade level. Sorry, folks. So we're going to go here, right click here, oriented view, floor plans. Let's go to grade and see what we got. But anyway, that's how you do that. Okay, yeah, this is much better. And we want to turn this on to shaded view. Okay, we need to be in wireframe still. And let's just rotate this up here. Okay, home view. So there you go, guys. That's our sanitary system for our small church project here. Let me pull this down just a little bit more. Actually, we need to go underground a little bit. See if I can do this now. Shaded view. No, I'm gonna go to top of footing. That's what probably be the best bet. But anyway, folks, yeah, let's try this one here. That might be the view we're after. Okay, so if I rotate that view, wow. Am I the right one? Let's try this one more time, and I'm gonna let this one go. But hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Okay, top of footing. Yeah, I'm gonna have to develop a view for the other systems, the water, hot and cold water, because I want to see this. You see the wireframe here. Okay, there's our pipe now. Okay, we can see it in wireframe, but that's the layout. That's the system right there. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Struggle with this one a little bit, but you get the idea, and I've done this before, so you push this way down here. Now lose the pipe. Okay, there's our piping system now. So hey guys, this is our sanitary drainage for our small church. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. We'll do hot and water next. Hot and cold water next. Bye y'all. Be safe. And please subscribe. Thank you.